Imagine a living room that instantly feels premium, modern, and perfectly organized, and the secret is a well-designed TV unit. Today's best modern TV unit designs are all about clean lines, smart storage, and a perfect balance between style and function. A wall-mounted unit with floating shelves not only saves space, but also gives your room a sleek, clutter-free look. Using materials like high-gloss laminates, with textures or matte finishes can completely change the vibe of your space. Adding LED backlighting behind the panel creates a warm, luxurious feel, especially at night. Storage is another key element. Hidden cabinets help you keep wires, remotes, and accessories out of sight, while open shelves allow you to showcase decor pieces like plants, books, or art. Color combinations also matter. Neutral tones like white, beige, or gray with wooden accents are trending because they match almost any interior style. In the end, the best TV unit is not just about looks. It's about creating a focal point that enhances your entire living space. So, which design would you choose for your dream home? Let me know in the comments.